Struggling with dull lighting that makes your videos look unprofessional? Welcome back. In part 3 of our series, we're checking out some amazing ring lights that can instantly upgrade your content with soft, even lighting and zero harsh shadows. From adjustable brightness to multiple color modes, these lights are perfect for YouTube, streaming, and photography. Stay till the end to find the perfect ring light for your setup, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. At number 1 we have LUXSURE Tripod with Ring Light for iPhone. Tripod ring light with dual phone holders, one for side shooting and one for top-down filming. Film yourself from the side while simultaneously capturing an overhead shot of your cooking or crafting, with no pauses or repositioning needed. Ideal for multi-angle video recording and content creation. Unlike others, our ring light uses soft light. It can give you flattering, even facial illumination with natural-looking catch lights, minimizes harsh shadows and blemishes, and makes your skin look smoother, effortlessly elevating your video quality and on-camera presence. Adjust both color and brightness to suit your subject perfectly. Great for photographers, YouTubers, vloggers, TikTokers, and more. Perfect for solo creators. Enjoy hands-free convenience, smoother workflows, and higher productivity. Built with a longer base for superior floor stability. The versatile, extendable ring light doubles as a phone tripod and overhead mount. Multiple adjustment points let you lock in any shooting angle with ease. At number 2 we have MACTREM 22 ring light with stand. Using a bigger LED big ring light with stand will make your eyes more attractive, like the eyes of angels, and more natural and clear when shooting videos or recording meetings. The MACTREM 22-inch iPad ring light has 512 LED beads, which will definitely satisfy your fill light needs. This large ring light with stand also comes with a 75, 190 centimeters, heavy-duty tripod, which can hold up to 18 pounds, 8 kilograms, and can also rotate 360 degrees for fill light. This large tablet ring light, compatible with iPad and iPhone, features an LCD display that intuitively shows brightness and color temperature, making it easier to adjust to the desired lighting mode. The 22-inch ring light with a stand offers adjustable brightness from 1% to 100% and customizable color temperature ranging from warm yellow to cool white, 2700K, 4500K, 6500K. The large iPad ring light also features 2 USB charging ports, specifically designed for long live streaming sessions, ensuring your devices never run out of power during work. At number 3 we have LitONES 2-packs video conference lights. LitONES video conference light with side-emitting technology makes the light glare-free, soft, natural and real, providing a high-quality, comfortable light source for Zoom meeting, video calls, podcast and online teaching, live streaming and work, home office, etc. LitONES Zoom meeting light features edge illuminated LED technology to provide natural soft light, even illumination that won't strain your eyes. Along with 3 color temperatures and 10 levels of adjustable brightness, color temperature adjustable from 3500K CRI greater than 95 for perfect customized lighting. Well made of metal stand adjusts from 20.5 inches to 28.5 inches. Metal base with foam rubber is very sturdy, stability, anti-slip and anti-scratch, and a universal phone stand fits most smartphones up to 3.35 inches. The desk light head is rotatable back and forth, left and right, and up and down for 360 degrees illumination. Powered by 10 watts USB supply, 5V2A, placed behind or next to your laptop, computer or monitor to save desktop space. At number 4 we have Auriani 22 inches large ring light. For brightness, Auriani 22-inch large ring light with stand can be adjusted from 5% to 100% to suit the need of surroundings. Eye-friendly lights increase your comfortable level. Elevate your visual storytelling with iPad stand with ring light featuring 2500K, 6500K adjustable temperature and 480 high CRI LED beads. Seamlessly switch between crisp white for product photography, warm yellow for cozy live streams, or neutral tones for makeup tutorials, all calibrated to mimic natural sunlight for lifelike color accuracy. 2 optional ways to adjust our tripod stand with ring light. One is manual touch control that you can easily rapid switch lighting color mode in nearby. Another is remote control for far distance, about 10 meters, and it is convenient access to brightness, color temperature and scene lighting settings. Withstands 18 pounds/8 kilograms load. 75-inch tripod, 360 degrees ball head enables low-angle makeup shots and overhead cooking demo angles. The working range of the tripod is from the minimum of 27 inches 69 centimeters, all the way to the maximum of 75 inches. At number 5 we have MACTREM 22 inches foldable ring light. 360 degrees rotatable casters, 22-inch large ring light stand tripod with 3 silent 360 degrees rotatable casters for easy movement. Each caster has an individual brake and can be fixed in any desired position. Foldable and easy to assemble. The 22 inches foldable ring light tripod, easy to install and disassemble, 360 degrees rotatable, convenient to carry and store. MACTREM ring light offers more light for your camera photography, Facebook Live, beauty makeup, selfie and video. LED display and 2 USB ports. This large ring light is equipped with an LED display for a more intuitive display of brightness and color temperature. The big ring light tripod for iPhone also comes with 2 USB charging ports, customized for your long live broadcasts. Dimmable ring light, dimmable 22/56 cm, outer 55 watts, 2500K, 6500K, 480 pieces LED bulbs with a wide dimming range from 5% to 100%. Special LED SMD design, lightweight and portable. Large ring light withstand uses high-cost lens beads to reflect the light back and forth across the range to produce a softer light that protects your eyes during the creative process. At number 6 we have NEEWER ring light 18-inch kit. The light stand is packed in a separate box inside the big package box as shown in the second picture. If you can't find it, please contact seller customer service. 2. Instructions for unfolding the stand are in the 8th picture. The legs are upwards, so please unfold the legs upside down. Dimmable 18/45 cm, outer 55 watts, 5600K, 240 pieces LED bulbs with a wide dimming range from 1% to 100%. Special LED SMD design, lightweight and portable. No ultraviolet and infrared light radiation, low heat output, safety, and environmental protection. The soft tube makes the light rotate freely for the best position. White and orange color filters are made of highlight transmission plastic material with steady color temperature. The light stand is the most stable when the center joint of the legs is 4 to 8 inches, 10 to 20 centimeters, from the ground. Please note that raising the legs too high may cause the light stand to fall and damage the ring light. A cold shoe ball head adapter is included for most DSLR cameras and a smartphone holder for most smartphones. At number 7 we have Lume Cube Ring Light Pro. The Lume Cube Ring Light Pro is the only complete edge-lit studio-grade ring light that features both an internal rechargeable battery and a power cord option. Free yourself to move from location to location with ease. Create content outdoors with no need for a plug. Battery runs for 70 minutes at full brightness, 2 hours at lower power. 256 high-quality inward-facing LEDs with a built-in diffuser for 1700 lux at 0.5 meters, ensuring flawless studio-quality lighting that is easy on the eyes and creates smooth, flattering skin tones. Smart LCD screen on the light provides a battery life indicator, brightness and color setting indicator, manual adjustment dials, as well as 2 5V USB charge ports for your phone or mic. Control this light easily with intuitive onboard controls or a traditional remote. No apps to download or tech to get confused about. Power up, adjust and start creating in any location, whether there is an electrical socket nearby or not. Only phone mount that allows both a 180-degree flip and a 360-degree rotation. At number 8 we have UBeesize 14 inches LED foldable ring light. This 14-inch ring light features a clever foldable design, making it easy to store and carry, very convenient. Compared to common 10-inch or 12-inch ring lights, the 14-inch size provides a larger lighting area and superior lighting effects, making it perfect for photography, makeup, video recording, or any occasion that requires high-quality lighting. This equipment comes with a sturdy 62-inch tripod with a foldable inverted design, made of high-quality and durable alloy material. The inverted design minimizes storage space to just 16.7 inches, and the reinforced legs can extend up to 16 inches, allowing for low-angle shooting and enhancing stability. This ring light offers 5 color temperatures. The bright and soft light is friendly to the skin and eyes, without shadows or glare. We use a touch screen for light adjustment, providing greater convenience compared to traditional mechanical controls and ensuring a longer lifespan. Our remote control is compatible with iOS and Android devices, without the need to download any apps. At number 9 we have EOTO Light 18-inch LED ring light. Special LED SMD design give off great light, ranging from 2900K to 6500K color temperature without change the color filter, 10% to 100% brightness adjustable, bright enough, perfect for portraits, vlog, live stream and selfie. Equipped with 100 to 240 volts global voltage. Flexible and sturdy tripod stand. The ring light tripod is made of aluminum alloy construction for stabilizing the makeup ring light. Adjustable height ranges from 22.8 inches to 69.7 inches. Pretty stable 3-leg stage design and solid locking system keeps all your stuff in safe. When you use them, please put the 3 legs down. Selfie controller and IR remote control. You can take photos and videos directly with the wireless selfie Bluetooth controller. No need to touch your phone screen. Super user-friendly. The LED ring lights are controlled via the IR remote control from up to 2.5 meters away, 98, with our IR remote. Also, it comes with 2 USB charging ports for your smartphone charging while live stream. At number 10 we have NEEWER 55 watts 18/45 cm ring light. NEEWER RL18 features 240 quality LEDs for professional lighting with wide coverage and an impressive brightness of 5500 lux at half a meter. It enables 0 to 100% dimming with a high CRI of 95 to reproduce true colors and enhance beauty. Ideal key or soft fill lighting kit for YouTube, TikTok vlogging, streamer live streaming, podcast, esthetician makeup artist tutorials, eyelash extensions, barbers, photoshoot, video recording, or to film other social media creation. This big circle ring light includes orange and white filters to enable 2 color temperatures of 3200K and 5600K, contributing to different photography and video recording tones for optimal results. The white filter softens the light source and highlights portrait features, while the orange filter simulates indoor lighting or yellow lighting, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere as content creator essential and influencer must-have. The controller is small and easy to conceal, making your selfies more natural.